YouTubers, Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Guys, man, there's something really, really bad happening, and I think it's for punishment of owning. I think a lot of people that clawed and fought to get into this housing market are now going to be fighting and clawing to get out of the housing market, especially if they bought within the last 4 or 5 years and noticing declines in property prices. Well, people are being punished. So I got an article I want to read here for you guys that basically a lot of people really, really lost everything into getting into this housing market, and a lot of people are house broke. And it goes to show via consumer confidence during Christmas sales and during all this stuff, and seeing that we're moving into an economic stagnation. We're moving into a movement of stagnation now, where prices aren't really going up, they're not really going down, they're not going anywhere, and it's crippling a lot of people. Now, guys, don't forget to check out the channel. Don't forget to join and support the channel by clicking the button here and joining. And we also got mugs and t-shirts there for sale. Don't forget to check out the channel, guys. Lots of housing stuff here. I did cover this insurance thing. It's in here somewhere. Take a gander at the channel. It's probably over here somewhere. Lots of good stuff for you guys to check out. But I did cover that insurance story in here. Anyways, so here it is, guys. And tonight on Mike in the Night, we're going to be covering the wildfires in Australia. So tune in tonight, 9 p.m. Pacific time. And don't forget to follow the Mike Martin's channel here on Facebook. There's a couple of fake ones, guys. I'm the only one with 117K followers, guys. Do not follow there's 2 other fake ones. Don't go to the fake ones. You'll find the link on top of my channel here if you want to get to it. Okay, guys, what's going on? Well, again, Langley condo owners reeling after Strata insurance deductibles jump from $5,000 to $250,000. That's from yesterday's date. Now, I covered this. This happened in Burnaby and happened in Vancouver in the Lower Mainland. Now, people are being punished that owned, whether it's property tax hikes of absorbent amounts of money that tenants can no longer afford to rent and run a small mom-and-pop's private sector business, which funds the public sector, aka government jobs. So here it is, guys. This is a big deal. Let's watch this thing here. Oh, there's no audio. Hold on. Oh, that's Party of 5 ad. Okay, hold on. That show's still on? I thought that got canceled. Residents of a condo complex in Langley are reeling over what they say is this thing ready to go? They say is an inexplicable massive hike in the cost of Strata insurance. Okay, this thing's going to end soon. Give it a few seconds here. Many Strata owners are facing massive increases to their premiums. Jill Bennett has shocking numbers and the reasons for increase. Here it is, guys.
Just 3 years old, there have been no insurance claims, but the cost of renewing the insurance policy, which is required by law, just jumped almost 300%.
Wow!
97,000 to 371, I think it is.
Kroll says just getting the building insured was a struggle.
We now have 18 companies that insure this building. The broker went out and had to go through every insurer there is out there to try and find someone that would insure us.
The scenario here is not an isolated one. More and more companies are getting out of the condo insurance business, citing high risk. Plus, the number of claims made worldwide is up, many because of extreme weather.
Historically, insurers used to pay out annually on average about $500 million a year in severe weather damages across Canada. Over the last few years, that number has jumped to over $1 billion a year. And these are all playing a part in the overall aspects of their premiums.
The increased costs will be passed to condo owners through higher monthly fees or a special assessment. In addition to the increase in premiums, many stratas are also seeing huge jumps in deductibles. Residents on the elevator in the Langley complex were stunned to see theirs go from $5,000 to $250,000.
We went down to the insurance broker in
Wow.
the hub, and told them what we needed as a deductible, and they laughed at us and told us it had to be a typo until we actually showed them a picture of the notice we'd received.
This happened in quite a quick wave, though. I don't think anyone anticipated that it was going to be this dramatic for so many properties.
Yeah.
The BC government says it continues to engage with the private insurance industry to determine how, in the face of climate challenge, British Columbians can continue to access affordable insurance coverage. It's little comfort for those left paying the bills.
It's like if your car insurance went up, from $2,000 to $8,000 overnight. We might not be able to stay in the condo if this is the way it's going to be.
Jill Bennett, Global News.
Wow. Thanks, Jill, for covering that. This is by Simon Little from Global News. Guys, check him out, Global News Canada. I just wanted to throw this out there. Now, let me put my tinfoil conspiracy hat on, if that's okay with you guys. Could it be that a lot of condos in time are as the mortar starts to dry over the next couple of years, are we going to start to notice defaults in buildings? Like, we have quite a few defaults right now in Australia with the Opal Tower. Just quite a few towers down there are experiencing massive problems. Builders, shoddy workmanship. Could we see this in the future here in Canada with these condos that were put up real quick, trying to cut costs, save money, be ahead of the target? Do we think maybe this could be a reason why, if they haven't had a claim in 3 years, I understand across the board, like the other gentleman stated, across the board, it's a big deal due to weather, right? Sure, I'm not going to argue that. But could it be, as the mortar settles, lots of buildings are starting to prop up with faulty problems, and then it might be on the hands of the insurance company, but the insurance company doesn't want to, refuses to be or to cover something. You know what I'm saying? To me, insurance companies, this is just my opinion, insurance companies are just there for you to go by the law, by having insurance on your property. But then when it comes to actually settle, it goes into lots of litigation. It goes to courts. It could go for years, right, till you see something, right? So I'm very interested in understanding this rare phenomena that's happening to buildings that are not in a hurricane path, a tornado alley, not in a, I'm very interested to find this out, because I have a friend who's a Strata president down in one of the condo towers in Miami Beach, and he saw my other article I did about this, and he told me, he said, Mike, we don't pay nearly enough for that what you guys are paying up there, and we're in a hurricane prone zone and flooding zone. It's like something's not right here. Definitely something ain't right. Let me know what you guys think. People are being punished for owning. So the people that didn't buy or get into the whole condo and townhouse madness thingy are kind of lucky they didn't get into this. Because this is going to become a nightmare. Oh, I could just sell my place. Mike, no you can't. Who's going to buy a place where the premiums are that high? And Strata insurance and Strata and this and that and property tax. People are better off now renting in the way things are headed. That's just, or rents are just going to go up. What's the way out of this? Just money. That's the way out of everything nowadays. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. I'd like to know. And don't forget to watch me on Mike in the Night tonight at 9 p.m. Don't forget to message me on Facebook if you have a message for me, and add me on Skype. Thanks for watching, guys.